Hello. This is how to remove a BMW e46 gas pedal. I'm also going to be installing a 323 CI cable-driven pedal. But if you want to see this complete build and follow along as I put the LS1 and Muncie 4-speed out of a 74 Corvette in this BMW e46, make sure you like and subscribe and stay tuned for the continued build videos. But otherwise, without further ado, let's get into removing this gas pedal. Okay, here we are inside the M3. This is actually fairly easy to do. What you're gonna find is there's gonna be a little clip underneath here. You're gonna take the long end of a screwdriver, something like this, flat, maybe a little wider, and you're gonna slide it up in here and push on that clip. At the same time, you're gonna take a second screwdriver and you're gonna slide this bottom piece. With that clip pushed up here and this bottom piece sliding, this will come off. Right on the right side, there's gonna be this plug and this cable dangling. Push that plug in, push the tabs, and it should pop right out. Then, what you're left with is this white bracket on the ground. Depending on what you're doing, you might leave that bracket if your pedal's faulty, if you're just replacing it. Otherwise, in my case, you take the little Allen bolt out of it, and there's these tabs down in there. I used 2 screwdrivers. I wedged one here, kind of popped it out with the second one, then wedged this tab, popped this out, and with this bolt removed, this slid off. To install the base model pedal is very simple. This black tab, this little tab, slides underneath the carpet away from you, and then this grooved portion slides down on that metal piece. Either way, it goes down, and then you need the rod to connect from there, that slot, into the one in the pedal. There is some bushings that go in that slot. FCP Euro recommends them if you're doing this. The reason all this is happening is because the throttle body that I'm using is cable driven. But if you got any questions, comment. I'll try and get back to them as soon as possible. But otherwise, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more of the build videos, or if you want to keep up to date just on what's going on the channel. So thanks, and have a good one.